Danas me.
Ayan. Scientist si Frank. So, nagpunta na kami dun sa mga beaches, doon pinakita ko sa kanya.
Hindi ba mahirap na foreigner yung mapapangasawa mo?
After ng last relationship ko na Pinoy, sabi ko, ayoko na ng Pinoy, gusto ko na ng foreigner. Siguro ganun eh. Pag yung meron kang binabato sa universe, yung meron ka talagang wini-wish, nakakatotoo. So ito, finally na-meet ko siya, si Frank.
Ano naman to?
That's my mother, father now.
Sa Tagalog din ba sila?
Hindi nga.
Wala talaga?
Wala pang nakarating sa Pilipinas lahat. Kaya,
So, ibig sabihin, pag pumupunta ka doon, namimit mo sila, English talaga yung mga ano nila, salita nila.
English talaga.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Kumakain.
hindi na ako nagsasalita. Nandun lang sa likod. Hello? Sabi ko, minsan umiyak na ako. It's overwhelming, you know, it's winter, the time show, the difference,
O, ayun
the
na nga.
weather and
Paano yan
everything.
nandito ka? May mga pamahiin ka ba? O may mga ginagawa ka ba na sinasabi o tinuturo sa kanila? Ay, sa Pilipinas, kailangan ganito. Ay, kailangan ganyan.
At paano mo nasasabi in English?
I just say don't do this and don't do that. Di ba? Let's just do it together. Simple, di ba?
Ayan.
Ayan, sa Nepal yan, nagpunta kami. Kasi yung pastor friend ko, yung katabi ko, nag-ano silang Christianity doon para ano yung mga tao na, alam mo yun. So ako yung nagbigay parang testimonial sa kanila, ano yung nagawa sa akin.
Pakita natin.
Maraming time. Marami.
Oh,
Ayan. Ito daw ay si Moggy.
Mowgli.
Ayan. Kitang-kita na parang girlfriend niya si ano. Hindi ka ba nagsiselos?
Hindi, mas kasi takot ako talaga sa aso. Takot na takot, pero dahil nga sa pagmamahal, pati yun na nakayanan ko na. Yun nga yung naiyak ako. Kasi 5 aso ba naman? Iba-iba.
5
May
aso.
pag, may ano. First time ko, syempre, nasa Tahoe kami sa isang condo. Hindi ko alam, syempre, first time ko rin mamimit magulang. Ayaw mo naman na mag-emote. Ay, ganyan. Tsaka pag nag-emote ka, lapit, sunggab and all sila lalo sa'yo. Ang dila, di ba?
Saan niyo ito nakuha? Balita ko may nagbigay
Yun
daw
yung
eh.
nagreto sa amin, dalawa, na kaibigan ng pinsan ko. Best friend niya yun, nag-dog breed.
O, eto na. Bilang napaka-sweet niya, eh meron siyang letter para sa'yo.
Ay.
Pero gusto ko ikaw
Ayaw
ang
niyang
magbasa.
video talaga, ha?
Ikaw ang magbasa. Ito, oh.
Ano, sige.
Ito yung hi, babe.
Hi, babe. How's the Philippines? I'm at the gym right now. You know, I just realized something. You are the reason for all I do and all I wish to accomplish. You have made my dream of finding my one true love come true. And now that I have you in my life, I know that we can accomplish anything. The sky is the limit with you by my side. And anyways, in short, you make me feel special and important. And I'm eternally grateful for that. Thank you, Rufa May. Miss na kita. I love you.
Ramdam!
Kala ko
Ano
show ko.
naman? Francine, panoorin mo to.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. My name is Frank Shatkowski. One of the things that, you know, he was very friendly with General MacArthur from the U.S., and one of the most famous statements General MacArthur had is that, I shall return. And I've been saying this to my lovely fiancée ever since I've met her, that it won't be long and I shall return, because I am based in the U.S. and it isn't that often that I get to be with her here in Manila. So my vow to her would be that, you know, as soon as we are married, that I will no longer have to say that I shall return, that I will be with her regardless of where I am in the globe, doing the work that I do, trying to improve agriculture production around the world. So with that, I make a commitment that I will be with her regardless of where I am in the world. So she's going to be my beautiful wife, and I'm very proud of that. Thank you very much.
Sweet. Francine, ano naman wedding vow mo kay Frank?
Thank you, and of course, I will love you for the rest of my life.
Siyempre, puro yun ng ako take a bow.